Hey guys, so today is a very chill day. I have some errands to run. We're gonna do a super easy eyeshadow tutorial for you guys using the new Morphe palette. Well, it's not it's newer for Morphe. It's their newer formulation for their eyeshadow palettes. This one is in Flickering Sands. If you guys know me, you know I love these eyeshadow palettes. I have 3. I think I'm only missing 1. I actually really like the 6 shades, the 6 shade ones as well. I just haven't gotten any yet. But we are going to be going in with this really pretty neutral palette just to do like a super easy beginner friendly eye look, and that is it. If you are new here, hello, I am Josie. I put new videos out every single week. And if you are into the beauty/lifestyle realm, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next in my channel. So on my channel, let's jump into this. So I'm going in, well, first I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Oh my, hello. I am definitely breaking out from my new skincare routine because I added a retinol, but we're gonna give it another week and a half to see how it goes, because I feel like purging is a normal thing when you're doing a retinol program. All right, so we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, just a little bit. All right, and then I just like to blend that out with my fingers just to get it on as one even layer. And I like to also bring a little bit, whatever is left on the fingers, underneath the eyes. All right. Ooh, how come this bag is always so much worse than this bag? Someone to tell me why. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go in and set just a little bit with some Polite Society powder just to set the primer down so that we can go in with our colors without it creasing on one eye. So just a little tiny bit of powder is what we're going in with. Super light, super easy. I just don't want it to be too tacky when I go in with my shadows. All right, so for shadows today, we're gonna keep it super, super easy. I'm gonna go in with just 2 shades. We're gonna go in very lightly with this medium brown shade right here. And then I'm going to blend in a little bit. Ooh, okay, hold on. This shade right here is what we're going in with. And then we're also going to be going in with this lighter shade on the lid just to bring out the eyes a little bit more. So without further ado, let's go into that darker shade, that darker medium brown. And we are going to just start to pounce this on the eye. I like just pouncing first because this gets the product on the lid before we try to blend everything out. Because sometimes when you just go in straight with blending, it becomes very patchy, and we're not trying to do that. So every time you go in, just pounce first, and then once you have the pigment down, you can go in and blend, just like that. Let's do the other eye. Same thing, we're gonna pounce until the pigment is on the eyelid. Sometimes you need a little bit more before you go in. There we go. First shade down, super easy. Now we're gonna go in with that lighter shade and a more flat brush, just like so. That's the first place we're going to touch that lighter shadow to. Then we are going to go into our tear ducts. I like to place this down first and then go in and blend this out. So there it is placed down. I'm gonna tap off my brush. There's a lot of extra product coming off, and we are just going to pounce this into the first shade. This is just gonna open up the eyes a little bit more so they don't look so closed off. All right, there we go. And then we're gonna take that first color that we did in the darker brown shade with the flat shader brush, and we are just going to pop this underneath the eye just for a little added dimension underneath. I'm gonna actually keep it on the outer half of the eye mostly and just blend in from there, just like that. And then you guys can see it just adds a little bit of shadow and shape to the under portion of our eye. Okay, so that is the eyes done. We're gonna go in and do some mascara and some liner. I'll be right back. All right, I did some mascara, I did some eyeliner and my eyebrows. I think I'm actually just gonna go barefaced today. Maybe a little bit of concealer, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it barefaced. I'm doing another video after this. Never mind, I'm not going barefaced. But for the sake of this video, I am. here is what I'm adding to my lips. This is the Fwee Gloss in Scotch. This is one of my favorites. It's so nice and it smells so good. I don't know what they have in here, but it kind of blurs the lines on my lips after it sinks in. It's very, very nice. It's very nice. I think we should take having to have a full face of makeup with your eyes and lips done off the table. I feel like you don't have to have a flawless face, okay? You don't have to have concealer and foundation and powder on if you maybe just want to rock eyes for the day. That's all right. As you can see, my face isn't perfect, but I don't care. I'm still gonna wear it. Not today, because I have another video to film after this, but I can't even tell you how many times I go out with no like base foundation makeup on and I have eyes done. And you'll still get compliments on your makeup. So don't feel pressured to have a full face of makeup. Maybe you just want to put a powder on. Maybe you don't want to put anything in on, like at all on. And that's okay. That's all right. All right. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And maybe hit that subscribe button to become part of the Glam Fam. I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.